Hey guys, welcome back. I want to do a quick little overview video on our really popular Yamaha SuperJet 4-stroke wedge rear sponsons. So before you watch our install video, watch this video because it'll give you kind of tips and tricks, and then go watch the longer video so you know exactly how to install it all the way through. Unfortunately, the tip will break off on some people, and that is simply just because they forgot to install the bolt further forward, which catches the front of the tip. Well, we designed the wedge to be only so far, but we wanted to maximize the length of the sponson for the best comfort. So you want to get that front bolt, or you're going to snap off the front of your sponson. And there's no warranty if you break your sponson because of not following the directions. Another thing that is super important, especially for the handling, you want to make sure that the sponson correctly sits inside of the ski. And so if you notice on this one, if I put a straight edge across here, this is not flat with the ruler, right? It's going to fall to one side or another, and you'll never get that comfort level that you're looking for out of our products. So we have seen consistently that Yamaha's hull seems to either change either outward or inward. I've seen some of them so bad that my customers have had to, you guys have had to grind the side of the sponson here to get it to go up in there correctly. Why this sponson kind of fell in the wrong spot is because it's a little bit too tight in there. This thing I see is the rivets on the Yamahas all years. They kind of end up over here or over there. They're not always consistent. Well, we need them to be consistent because they fit with our sponson. Push the sponson in the rear spot. You can reach underneath here and you'll feel a little bit of the tail end of the rivet. So that's a little overview of what you should expect when you're putting on this product on your 4-stroke Yamaha SuperJet. Don't forget to check out our merch store. Always fresh items coming on there. Thanks for watching.